Welcome. If you're tired of digging through emails to find your package tracking numbers, you're going to love this update. Today, I'll show you exactly how to turn on package tracking in the Gmail app, so you can keep an eye on your deliveries with just a glance. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. Make sure you're signed into the account where you receive your order confirmations. Next, look for the menu icon. It's those three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu, up in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it to open the side menu. Now, scroll down the menu until you see the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open up your Gmail preferences. If you have more than one email account set up, you'll see a list here. Tap on the email account where you want to enable package tracking. Once you're in your account settings, scroll down until you find the package tracking option. It might be near the bottom, so keep scrolling until you see it. Now check the box next to package tracking. This will allow Gmail to automatically track your packages and display updates right inside your emails. From now on, whenever you receive a shipping confirmation, Gmail will show you the latest status of your package at the top of the email. No more copying and pasting tracking numbers or jumping between apps. With package tracking turned on, you'll get quick updates, estimated arrival dates, and even notifications about delays, all within your Gmail app. It's a simple change that can save you a lot of time and hassle, especially if you do a lot of online shopping. And that's it! You're all set to track your packages directly from Gmail. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips on making the most of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking!